Heading is High Courts. How many High Courts do we have? 25. Okay, if you say so, I have to agree. So heading is High Courts. Currently, we have 25 High Courts. Actually, we have 25 High Courts. Every state has a High Court. But it is not that the High Court will lie inside your state. We can't guarantee all that. A state will be allotted one High Court. That's my point. Every state is allotted one High Court. Okay. Total judges right now. 1,122. Okay. 1,122 judges. These judges are of two kinds. One is called a permanent judge. Second category is called additional judge. Okay. Of course, around 847, if I'm not wrong, are permanent judges. Right. So 847 are permanent. Remaining whatever number that is, 847, 275. Remaining 275 are additional judges. Clear? So who are these additional judges? Please hear me out. From the lower judiciary, you will pick up some budding judicial officers. Lower judges are called judicial officers. So you call them to High Court for a maximum 2-year period. Temporary basis. That's why additional judge. In those 2 years, you observe their performance, their knowledge, etc. If you like their performance, make recommendation and the Supreme Court Collegium will make them what? Permanent. Clear? If you don't like their performance, throw them out. Get lost, useless fellows. They are sent back to the lower judiciary again. So additional judge, this is actually ad hoc and maximum how many years? 2 years. One more thing, the number of judges in each High Court varies, okay? It's not the same. Please don't feel that, in every High Court we have same number of judges. That's not true. For example, the largest High Court in this regard is the, which High Court? Allahabad High Court. Allahabad High Court has 160 judges, 160. Okay. Second highest is Bombay High Court, 94 directly, 94 judges. Then we have, Punjab and Haryana High Court, 85 judges, Madras High Court, 75 judges, etc. Lowest or the smallest High Court is Sikkim. Just 3 judges. Only. Okay. Andhra Pradesh High Court has 37 judges, in case people from Andhra want to know and show off to others. Telangana, you can write 42. You also need to impress people. So. Andhra Pradesh, 37 judges. Telangana, 42. Any discussion going on the roadside, you see, just jump inside and quote this figure and run away from there. Purpose solved. Done? Okay. One more thing. As we said, we can have, there's a High Court for each state. We can also have common High Court for more than one state or UTs. Just like common governor. So below that, third point, this was point number 1, point number 2, third. High Court for each state. And we can also have common High Court for multiple states or UTs. And this provision is through the 7th Amendment Act 1956. Can you please tell me? Okay, right first, right. We had a test yesterday? No? That state's test, is it conducted? State executive legislature and all? That's why you scored very good marks. Of course. Now I remember. Somebody scored full marks also. You scored full marks in a test. Oh, very good. Today we'll have a test on panchayats. So I was not feeling okay. What happened? Why these full marks suddenly good marks and all? I got confused. I'm discussing with sincere aspirants. So anyway, please tell me some examples. High courts which serve more than one state. Multiple states only, not state and UT, only states. Chandigarh. Punjab and Haryana High Court. Serves which states? Punjab and Haryana. Excellent, amazing. And also UT of Chandigarh, definitely. What other High Court? Think. Assam. That High Court is called Guwahati High Court. Which states does the Guwahati High Court serve? Start guessing all the northeastern states' names now. So we will write this also. Example. So firstly write Punjab and Haryana High Court. Serves Punjab, Haryana and the UT of Chandigarh. Then Guwahati High Court. Now please tell me. Don't write Guwahati. The High Court spelling is this only. Don't change the spellings based on your own whims and fancies. Allahabad has become Prayagraj. But the High Court is still called Allahabad High Court, Calcutta High Court, Madras High Court, Bombay High Court. They don't change their names. They had a legacy of British Raj. Maybe that's what they love. Judges love all these things. My lord, your honor, etc. In summer, they wear black dress. In Indian summer. They used to wear that woolen cap also. Have you seen that old photos? Whose idea was that to wear that woolen cap? Thankfully, we have removed all those things now. That's why the judge is very angry and upset. In Indian summer, he is wearing a woolen kind of topi. Okay, please start guessing. One I'll guess for you. Assam. After this. Arunachal. Okay, very good. Excellent. Right. Comma. AP. Two more. Let's check your luck factor. Meghalaya. Sorry. Okay, Mizoram. Please write third one. Mizoram. One left now. Sikkim is a separate high court. No? 3 judges. One more. Okay, very good. Good luck. In exams, please try your luck. Make random guesses. Okay. So, that's one. Mizoram. Add that also. Then third one more high court which serves more than one state. One more high court. Bombay High Court. Serves Maharashtra, Goa and the UT of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Okay. Then we have some other high courts. J&K and Ladakh High Court, which serves duty of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Then we have one, yes, Madras High Court serves Tamil Nadu. No, serves Tamil Nadu. Not Madras, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. One more. Okay, Calcutta High Court, full on Desi vibe. Yes, Calcutta High Court serves West Bengal and which UT? Andaman and Nicobar. 3, 6. Last one. One more, please. Yes, right. I have written enough now. Now you write. Kerala High Court. Kerala High Court. Kerala, comma, Lakshadweep. All okay? So, we know a lot of things here. I think we have covered almost everything under the chapter, Supreme Court only.